NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 7. If cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha and 9 alpha less than 90 degrees, then the value of tan 5 alpha is option A 1 by root 3, option B root 3, option C 1 and option D 0. Answer. We are given that cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha. Let us change this term to cos. We know that sin theta is equal to cos of 90 degrees minus theta. We can write theta as alpha. Sin alpha is equal to cos of 90 degrees minus alpha. Let us substitute this value in the given equation. From the given equation, cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha. Cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha. We can write it as cos of 90 degrees minus alpha. Cos values are equal. That implies their angles must be equal as long as both lie in the given range. We are given that 9 alpha is less than 90 degrees and 90 degrees minus alpha is always less than 90 degrees. So we can equate angles. That implies 9 alpha is equal to 90 degrees minus alpha. That implies 10 alpha is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha is equal to 90 degrees by 10, that is equal to 9 degrees. Therefore, alpha is equal to 9 degrees. Now let us find tan 5 alpha. Tan 5 alpha is equal to tan of 5 times alpha is 9 degrees. That is equal to tan of 5 times 9 is 45 degrees. From standard trigonometric values, we know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, tan 5 alpha is equal to 1. From the given options, the value of tan 5 alpha is option C 1.